Hi, welcome back. This is going to be an update to what we were looking at in the crude oil market and whether or not that would have set up for a possible short and how that actually did not work out and why it was visible to us on the lower time frames, and we would never would have taken that trade. If you're new to Drummond Geometry, new to these videos, go to our website, drummondgeometry.com, sign up as an introductory member. And if you're running on TradeStation or Multi-Charts or NinjaTrader, you can download a free version of the software. And there are plenty of playlists, or on the educational playlist, there are plenty of videos about how to work with that. There are videos on our website about how to install that and work with it. And also, if you sign up, then you'll start to receive a series of emails that have some videos. They're going to teach you about the basics of the Drummond methodology. This is where we were yesterday. This rectangle is where I anticipated strong resistance to stop the market's move and maybe push this market down towards the daily envelope top or lower into what we identified as a PL refresh zone on the daily chart. So this rectangle is these two resistance areas formed by the 5-1 down and the 5-2 down. And there is also a 1-1 high in this cluster. So that's where the target area was for yesterday. And this bar closed at 9 o'clock. And it's tempting to think that we're headed down, perhaps lower. And then, but the indexes aren't open yet. The stock market's not open yet. And we did not get up into the resistance area. So trading off of this bar would have been anticipating the indicators, or I guess front running the indicators, and not being patient enough to see the market evolve into the target zone, and then how does it handle the target zone. So in this case, the next bar closes at 10 o'clock and it gets right into the target zone, but it's a huge move, huge C wave up above the hourly envelope top. This next bar continues well through that resistance area. So this trade, the idea of shorting this market, is over. You see a little bit of a retracement here. It got down to the higher 300 minute PL dot. It held there right at the hourly PL dot, and through lunchtime snaked sideways, and then after lunch it resumed its upward march. So there was never what we call a yes pattern. The hourly bars never closed below the PL dot unless you're counting this one that was before the open. So there was no way, there's no reason to look at shorting this market. So let me restate that a slightly different way. This is the target area, and what were the charts telling me? I want the charts to tell me something. I want the charts to tell me that this area is either holding or it's breaking. And this is a very clear example of this area breaking, and the hourly chart is showing us that the daily chart, or that the daily move, is not slowing down. And this is a very easy way to say yes or no, and in this case it's an emphatic no, and there would be no reason to place a short in this market. So again, if you're new to Drummond Geometry, if you're not a member yet, go to the website and sign up, and you'll start to get some more information, and this will start to make a lot more sense to you, and how this methodology will help us pick these turning points based on multiple time frames and letting the lower time frame lead the way. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.